Welcome to class 10th. This is Rakesh Kumar from Rawal Public School. Today I am here to discuss the topic electricity from class 10th. So question is, what is electricity? Electricity is everything is made up of atoms which contain positive particle called protons and the negative particles called electrons. Here is a picture. You can see the electrons are revolving around the nucleus, and here different types of presentations: protons, neutrons and electrons. Now what is electric charge? Electric charge is given by the symbol Q, and electrons are the charge carrier that flow in an electric circuit from negative to positive terminals. Charge on a proton is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb, which is same size as the charge on an electron. Now what is electricity? Electrons have a negative charge Q measured in coulombs. Electrons move around a circuit from negative to positive terminal. Like charges repel, and so unlike charges attract each other and like charges repel each other. Conductor and insulators, you are very well known about it. Conductors, good conductors allow electron to move through them easily, and insulator do not allow electrons to move easily. And there is a relation between charge, current and time. So I is charge, current. So electric current is the movement of negative charge electron in a circuit. Current is the amount of charge flowing per second and is given the unit, that is ampere, and ampere is the name of scientist. If the current is charge flowing per second, then I is equal to Q upon T. I is the symbol of current, Q is the symbol of charge, T is the symbol of time. Current is measured in amperes, time in seconds, and charge is transferred in coulombs. So 1 ampere is defined as when the 1 coulomb of the charge transferred in 1 second. Different types of circuits. There are so many different types of circuits: series and parallel, basically two or mixture of both. Series circuit have only one electrical path in which all the things are connected one to one through the circuit. And series circuit, when we measure the current in a series circuit, so what we have observed, we observed that current is same at all points. So how can it be written mathematically? I1 is equal to I2, I3, I4, because current is same. In case of parallel circuits, we have constructed it. This is the circuit with different branches which is generally used at our homes. So at a one junction, when we joint it, then current distributes itself and goes to different parts of the house.